Ah. Oh boy. Oh, good one.
Take glory, Son. Take glory, Holy Ghost. Now forever. Now forevermore. Take glory. Oh my God.
Ha.
Rodikro.
Bro, Sakamori.
So you smoke?
As you can see, yes now. I do smoke.
Oh my God. So don't you know that smokers are liable to die young?
You said it. Don't you know that these Bible carriers, they are liable to disappoint God at any time?
No, not my type, not my type. God forbid. Excuse me. How many packets a day?
Why you asking? Anyway, if you must know, I take just three packs. Yeah.
3 packets?
Yes, just 3.
Oh my God. Like, how much per pack?
Why you asking me all this now? Anyway, a pack just costs 250.
250?
You like it, eh? 250.
And you take 3 packets a day. That is 750.
Yeah, that means you're a good mathematician. Oh,
oh my God. Excuse me, if I may ask, like, how many years have you been smoking?
I started smoking when I was, since last 15 years.
15 years?
Yes, that's 15
Oh
years.
my God.
Yes.
So, if you spend 750 naira in smoking a day, then in a week, you'll be consuming up to 5,250 naira in smoking.
Go, you are right. Go.
Then, in a month, you'll be spending up to 30-something thousand in smoking.
Go.
And in a year, you'll be spending up to 100-something thousand in just smoking, ordinary smoking.
Are you sure you are not doing mathematics in that your church?
And you said now that you have been smoking for 15 years. Yeah?
Yeah.
Making your expenditure to be 28.3 million naira.
Yes, now I get the money.
Oh my God. Do you know that if you have been saving that money, by now you must be richer than Dangotte?
Who? What?
You must have been richer than Dangotte.
Wait. Do you smoke?
Oh, no, God forbid. How can I smoke?
You don't
I'm
smoke?
a Christian, yeah.
So why not richer than Dangotte?
Huh?
Why are you not richer than Dangotte since you don't smoke?
Huh?
Why are you not richer than Dangotte since you don't smoke?
Hey. Not true. Hey. Not true.
Get away from my face. See this one.
Okay, now. No problem.
See in trouser. I swear that I will never touch ground.
Oh.
See who never shop better food come to talk about Dangote. Come here, disturb me. Wait this there now. Wait this there. You no go know what you do to your life. Come here, come this. Wait this there now. She no wan come out.